friends, do you see this Suzuki Rainbird behind me? The owner came over the other day to install the shock spring. Then he found out that the barrel core was leaking and wanted to upgrade the whole shock. But they were not in stock at the time. Today it's in stock. He came back to replace the barrel core, upgrade shock barrel cores. This process is perfectly possible. Some people who have already installed shock springs, all those who are on the fence about shock springs and shocks, this is a good option. It means that you can experience the shock spring first. If you don't feel comfortable enough, you can then replace the barrel cores. If you have a shock spring, you can also do a non-destructive upgrade later. We can see the stroke of the barrel. All barrel cores will be 2 to 3 fingers lower than the original. It is a better match for the shock spring. It's more comfortable. Now look at the car after it's been installed.
种子开大大的花，在特别大的花园里面挖